Welcome to our brand new second channel with me and Gaz. So what to expect on the second channel? It's just going to be a little bit more laid back. We're going to be buying and selling some cars as well. We've got a few little loose ends to tie up. Got a couple cars up outside and we're going to show you exactly what they need. In the last video of the Focus on the main channel, we sorted out a few problems, including fitting the number plates back on. There was a couple brake light bulbs out and a knocking noise coming from the front. I changed the drop link, but that didn't seem to do much. We ended the video after finding a lot of pink coolant stains underneath. What is that? Is that coolant? That looks worrying. There is a problem with it. It's got a coolant leak.
Right.
So I know what it is. It's the water pump. Luckily, this is the 2 litre petrol, so it's not got the timing chain or the timing belt on the water pump, so it's independent on its own. It's a fairly straightforward job, hopefully. Also, there is a knocking coming from this front side. You're going to take it for a spin now.
Yeah, go see what's. By the sounds of what you've said, it could be lower arms, bushes, ball joints, something like that. But we'll give it a spin and see what happens.
Now, I have changed the drop link on that. It didn't make a difference. It's more annoying, but this car is all but done. Like I said, it's just a water pump and the potentially lower arm. Guys, are going to take it for a quick spin around the block. We've got that to do in today's video. Also, we've got this car here. It's just an old Punto, but it failed its MOT today on the headlights, annoyingly. So we're going to buff them up quickly in today's video. Then that will pass an MOT. And we've also fitted a new light. Fitted a new tyre at the back. It does have an MOT. Here's the keys. Let's go. Now, you hear that noise?
That's the water pump straight away.
That's the water pump?
Yeah, you can tell. Yeah.
Okay, so will we need a new auxiliary belt?
Probably not, because that's probably the bearing inside the water pump.
Okay.
That's why it's flowing through that, and that's what you're calling it.
Perfect. I'm glad you heard that.
One problem solved.
Right, so Gaz has just got the car into the garage, and we've got a little stream coming at the front there. So you took it for a spin. What's the verdict? What do you think it could be? It's definitely the water pump.
It's definitely the water pump, 100%. It's spitting all the coolant from this side.
Yeah.
And it's just dropping down.
It's empty as well.
The knocking noise from this side.
Yes.
But there's something that side as well, so I'm unsure whether it could be steering rack or both lower arms.
Probably best we jack it up and
we'll see what's going on. Yeah.
See what we're dealing with.
Take the weight off the wheels and see what moves, what don't move. Both front coils snapped in exactly the same place.
Right. What we got? I mean, that is quite a common.
Right there.
Yeah, that's common on both sides as well.
Yeah. I mean, it's the cheapest way of lowering it.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll just take that bit out, it'll be fine, won't it?
Yeah. And then what down here? Oh, it's
yeah, the bushings, they got minimal play in them.
But they're definitely changing, do you reckon?
I wouldn't say definitely, but they're close. So depending on.
What's the knocking though?
The knocking is definitely that, 100%. As you're going over the bump.
You reckon it's that, yeah?
100%. Both sides. That's why I was getting the knock on the other side as well on the test drive.
Right. Okay, so we get some of them.
Yeah.
Worth doing the lower arms then?
Worth it? No, there's not enough play in there for me to say to actually change them.
Right.
If we didn't find anything else, then that would probably be our noise, but 100% it's those.
Okay, so we're starting on the water pump now. I think it'd be wise to drop the engine a little bit.
Possibly. We can take the belt off and we'll see how much room we've actually got.
Do we need to take
the wheel lining out?
Yeah.
Possibly.
Does that need to come out?
Well, we don't even need to take the whole belt off. If it will sit there, we might not even have to. If we do, we'll take it off.
How high up is the water pump?
Well, it's pretty much right there, right by the chassis leg. So we might have just enough room to do it. As long as there's clearance for it to pop out. Because I know it's got that rubber seal around where it seats in.
Yeah.
So as long as that's not too deep, it might just pop out. Yeah, let's have a little look.
Right, so that's the new water pump. This is what we're dealing with. Ooh,
safe band.
Keeper.
Yeah, look, this isn't that bad.
It's got the
O-rings in there.
O-ring in there, so what we're going to do, we'll move this out of the
we'll
way.
just get it out of the way, yeah, just give ourselves a bit of
then we can sort of go up a little bit or down if we need to, so.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's well in.
We've given up with the soft play. We're going.
Yeah, we're going full plant fitter mode now.
Going FT.
Yeah. Right, should we try and do a controlled splash?
Yes.
Is that what we're going to do? He says, and it'll make a complete mess. %, that was leaking. Look at that.
Jesus.
Yeah. That seal's gone completely flat. It's leaking all the way around it.
Well,
not too bad
just silver lining.
Yeah.
We didn't have to do a cam belt
Thank God.
because
Yeah, at least it's an external water pump.
yeah.
Doesn't have to do all that.
Have a look in there. That's what we've. It's yeah. Okay.
We'll give it a bit of a clean up.
Yeah. Now with the old water pump out, it's time for a quick comparison. Right, okay, so you've given it a bit of a clean up in there. Clean the surface. Now, we've just got
So I think it went that way around, so with that bit at the top.
like that.
Yeah.
Ah, I think you're right. Okay.
Look at that.
Right, start her up.
Yeah, fire up. Be alright. Send it as is.
So while Gaz is getting that all tightened up, I'm going to make a start on removing the coil springs. Right, we'll get both of them off, and then we've got to wait for the others to be delivered. Once they're delivered, we'll get them switched over, and then pretty much that's all that's left to do on the car. And then this car is ready to finally go. I've had this car probably about 6 months, where it's just been sat.
Yeah.
Well, I've just not had the time to do anything.
Yeah.
So obviously now we've got more time on our hands, doing this full time.
That's it.
Get it on, get it done, get it gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Off to a new home.
Off to a new home.
We come down. Yeah, it's like an on-off switch, that jack, isn't it? Yeah, go on, keep coming down. We're nearly there. We just got to drag it forward a little bit, as long as we get the height right.
Are we?
Yeah, go on, come down a bit more. That looks pretty good. We can get a bolt in there. Right, so that's done now. We're now going to move on to taking the struts off.
Let's do it.
You might be right though, we might have to stand on it.
Right, so Gaz has got all the bits off there.
Yeah.
So much for me getting involved and taking them off. He sort of took the ball by the horns.
Oh, it's just gone 100 miles an hour. Yeah.
But we're getting up to temperature. We've topped the coolant up.
Yeah.
Obviously this side's already raised up, so we're letting it sort of bleed.
Circulating, bleeding the air out.
And we are up to temperature. Obviously there's a few lights on the dash because we've unplugged the ABS and whatnot, so that is slowly getting up to temperature. Now there is obviously another job on this car, there's a parking aid fault. I think because obviously where it's been sat for a while, the battery's been a bit low, so I'll put the battery on charge over the coming days. I think we'll clean the sensors as well, the face of them. Yeah. So
we're getting there. Just pulled both the shocks apart, taking the coils off.
we're just going to compare new and old.
Yeah.
Just to show us what.
See,
There's two parts of one.
Little brake. Yeah.
2 parts of one.
Broke for a little while.
And that's obviously the new one there.
Yeah, our top mount on the driver's side has decided to fall apart and throw all the bearings everywhere.
Lovely.
So we need a new one of them.
Okay.
Get those on order.
This is where we're at the moment. It's all back together. What have you been up to? Because I've been out and you've been busy.
We've got a gas in it, ain't yeah, coil springs, new top mount, all the struts are back on, it's all back together.
Yeah.
She's now back on the deck, ready to come out. The water pump was all done, topped up all the levels. She's ready to roar, mate. She's ready to go.
So she's good to go.
Yeah.
We'll pull her out the garage, just give her a drive around the block, make sure it's all good. Like I said, it's already got an MOT on it, so that's done. Gaz has put an absolute shift into this. I know I said earlier on, oh, I'll do it. I'll be busy doing it. I've been out, got MOT on another car, so he's just cracked on and no messing about. So, yeah, big up to Gaz. Anyway, so this was last week's main channel video, the Audi A4. Now, if you don't know what this is, go check out the main channel video. We've done a load of work to this car. It's just come back from MOT. And I've passed. There was a couple of advisories on the rear, what are they called?
Lower arm.
Rear lower arm, so it's two separate things anyway.
Yeah,
they need doing, so we'll get them done off camera.
And now that the ST was done, it was now time to move on to the Punto headlights.
Yeah, they need doing, don't they? I think you see the colour difference.
A little bit hazy.
A little bit hazy. That one's probably a little bit worse. This is before. This is after. Look at the difference. What do we reckon?
I reckon you're lying and put a new headlight on.
Is that a pass?
I think so.
We just
It's like brand new. I mean, we'll wipe off the excess and whatever, but yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
What is the procedure after you do it? Is there maybe
What, after doing this?
some people lacquer them, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. It's
No?
not really worth it.
No, it's an old car. So all right, cool. We'll get that side taped up and then
we'll have a go.
yeah, we'll have a go.
Now with cloudy, hazy headlights, this is a job that would put a lot of people off, but it is pretty simple. You've just got to mask around the area, get a buffer, a bit of cutting compound, and they'll come up like brand new.
So that is the end of the first video on the second channel. So we've done the Focus ST, that's done. We've got the Audi A4 MOT. We've sorted out the MOT failures on the Fiat Punto. So I would say that this video has been a success. Join us next week on the main channel where we've got something quite interesting coming, and you've probably seen it at some point in the video. So that's all I'm going to say. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this brand new channel because we're going to be putting out a lot of videos. These are actually really laid back and really quite enjoyable to do, these ones. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave it a thumbs up, let us know in the comments of what you thought of today's video, and we will see you on the main channel and on this channel because we're putting out videos every week, aren't we, guys?
Of course we are.
Of course we are. See you later. Since the filming of this video, the car's since been listed on Auto Trader for 4195 and it's looking for its new home.